Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to share some valuable tips and tricks on how to make money on Fiverr. If you're a freelancer looking to expand your business, Fiverr can be a great platform to showcase your skills and attract clients from all around the world. Fiverr is a popular online marketplace that offers a range of services from graphic design, content writing, programming, and much more. In this video, we'll cover some of the essential strategies that can help you succeed on Fiverr. So, if you're ready to take your freelance career to the next level, keep watching. And if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Number 1. Choosing the right service. One of the most important factors in making money on Fiverr is to offer services that are in demand. Do your research to find out what services are popular and needed on the platform, and consider specializing in a particular niche. By offering a unique and valuable service, you can stand out from the competition and attract more clients. Number 2. Optimizing your profile. Your Fiverr profile is like a storefront window, and it's important to make a good impression. Take the time to optimize your profile with a clear and detailed description of your services, a professional profile picture, and relevant keywords. This will help potential clients find you more easily and make them more likely to consider working with you. Number 3. Creating a portfolio. A portfolio is an excellent tool for showcasing your skills and attracting potential clients. Include a variety of work samples that demonstrate your expertise in your niche. The more diverse and impressive your portfolio, the more likely clients will be to trust you and hire you for their projects. Number 4. Setting competitive prices. Pricing your services correctly is essential to getting hired on Fiverr. Research what other sellers in your niche are charging and set your prices competitively. Avoid pricing your services too high or too low, as both can be a barrier to getting hired. By setting your prices right, you can increase your chances of getting more orders and making more money on the platform. Number 5. Writing compelling gig descriptions. Your gig description is your chance to make a great first impression on potential clients. Make sure to write a clear and detailed description of your services, highlighting what sets you apart from other sellers. Use compelling language and emphasize the benefits of working with you. By creating a strong gig description, you can attract more clients and increase your chances of making more money on Fiverr. Number 6. Promote your services. Promoting your services on social media or other platforms can help you reach a wider audience and attract more clients. It's essential to be active on social media, whether it's Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or any other platform where potential clients can find you. By promoting your services on social media, you can increase your visibility and attract more clients to your profile. When promoting your services, it's important to be authentic and professional. Share your portfolio, write blog posts on relevant topics, and engage with your audience to build relationships. This will not only help you attract new clients but also build your brand and credibility. Number 7. Communicate effectively. Effective communication is essential to building a successful career on Fiverr. When you receive a message from a potential client, it's important to respond promptly and professionally. Keep in mind that clients may be working on a tight deadline, so responding quickly can make a big difference. Once you start working with a client, it's important to keep them updated on the progress of their project. Regular communication can help build trust and foster a positive working relationship. If any issues arise, it's important to address them immediately and find a solution that works for both parties. Number 8. Deliver high-quality work. Delivering high-quality work is key to building a strong reputation on Fiverr. When working with a client, it's important to take the time to understand their needs and expectations. Make sure you deliver work that meets or exceeds their expectations. To ensure the quality of your work, it's essential to pay attention to detail. Double-check your work for errors, typos, and inconsistencies. If you're unsure about any aspect of the project, don't hesitate to ask your client for clarification. Number 9. Get good ratings and reviews. Good ratings and reviews can help you build credibility and attract more clients. To get good ratings and reviews, focus on providing excellent service. Take the time to understand your client's needs and deliver work that meets or exceeds their expectations. When you complete a project, ask your client for feedback. This can help you identify areas for improvement and make changes that will help you provide even better service in the future. Number 10. Keep learning and improving. Staying up to date with the latest trends and technologies in your niche is important to stay competitive on Fiverr. As you gain experience, it's important to continue learning and improving your skills. This can help you offer new services, improve the quality of your work, and attract new clients. There are many resources available to help you learn and improve your skills. You can take online courses, read blogs and books, or attend workshops and conferences. By staying current and continually improving your skills, you can provide the best service possible and succeed on Fiverr. In conclusion, making money on Fiverr requires a combination of specialized services, an optimized profile, a compelling portfolio, competitive prices, clear gig descriptions, effective promotion, communication, and delivering high-quality work. Additionally, building a strong reputation through good ratings and reviews and continuously improving your skills are essential to stay competitive on the platform. By following these tips and tricks, you can increase your chances of success on Fiverr and achieve your freelancing goals. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.